So you have learned how to subtract numbers greater than 10 using your finger marks. So let's try out one more subtraction. 29 minus 6. So we know when we subtract using our finger marks, we start after the second number. So we start after 6. What comes after 6? Well, 7, right? So let's start with 7 till we reach 29. Let's do that. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And what about 27? And the numbers after that? Well, we have used all the finger marks, but we still have not reached 29. So how do I perform subtractions like this? Using big numbers? How do I perform such subtractions? Well, do you remember that in the case of additions, we have performed addition by putting the numbers in their respective tens room and ones room? We can do a similar thing for subtraction as well. Let's see how. So 29 minus 6. So first let us put the digits in their respective rooms. Remember that over here we need to put the first number, which is 29, over here. We cannot put it here. It will be incorrect. So 29 will go first. Now 29 has 2 tens and 9 ones. So let me put 2 in the tens room and this 9 in the ones room. Next, in this second row, I will put my second number, which is 6. Now in 6, there are 6 ones. And how many tens? No tens or 0 tens, because 6 is a one digit number. So it has 0 tens and 6 ones. Now where do I start? I start with the ones room. So like in the case of addition, we first add the ones room. That is, we first add the digits in the ones room. In subtraction as well, we first subtract the digits in the ones room. So I will subtract 9 minus 6. So it is 9 minus 6. I will subtract 6 from 9. How do I do that? Well, now I know how to subtract using finger marks. So I'll start with the number after 6 and go till 9. So 7, 8, 9. How many finger marks are here? 1, 2, 3. I have used 3 finger marks. So 9 minus 6 is 3. And tens, what do we have in tens room? 2 and 0. So since 2 is at the top, I need to subtract 0 from 2. That is 2 minus 0. So I start after 0 and go on till 2. So I start with 1, 1, 2. And these are how many finger marks? 1, 2. Just 2 finger marks. So the answer to this place is 2. And 29 minus 6 gives me 23. This is the difference of this subtraction. So this is how we can subtract bigger numbers using this method. So we put the tens digits in the tens room, ones digit in the ones room. Then I subtract the digits in the ones room first and the digits in the tens room next. Let's try out one more. 56 minus 31. So first let us put the digits in their rooms. 56 means 5 tens. So 5 will go to the tens room and 6 ones. 6 will go to the ones room. Since we have 56 at first, I write 56 in the first row. Next I have 31. So 3 will go in the tens room and 1 will go in the ones room. Now I need to perform the subtraction in the ones room first. So I have 6 minus 1. Now 6 minus 1, let's use finger marks. You can also use your fingers for subtracting it. Whatever is more easy for you. So 6 minus 1, I need to start with the number which comes after 1, that is 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many finger marks have I used? Let's count from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've used 5 finger marks. So this answer is 5. Next I have 5 minus 3. So I start after 3 and go up till 5. So after 3 I have 4, 4, 5. And how many finger marks have I used? Count once again. 1, 2. I have used 2 finger marks. So this is 2. 56 minus 31 gives me 25. So the answer is 25. So see, you have performed such a huge subtraction, 56 minus 31, in such a simple way using this method. So try out this one on your own and see whether you can get it correct. Well, we have 65 minus 25. So let's put the digits in their rooms. 6 of 65 goes to the tens room. 5 of 65 goes to the ones room. 2 of 25 goes to the tens room. 5 of 25 goes to the ones room. First I will subtract which one? The ones room. So I have 5 minus 5. Now what is 5 minus 5? So I need to start after 5 and go up till 5. So I'll start with 6, but I need to go only till 5. So there are no finger marks that I need to count or 0 finger marks. So 5 minus 5 is 0. And what is 6 minus 2? Start after 2, that is start with 3 and go up to 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many finger marks have we counted? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have counted 4 finger marks. So this will be 4. 65 minus 25 gives me 40. So this is the answer. Now let's try out this one. What is 86 minus 81? So let's put 86 in its place. So 8 of 86 will go to the tens room. 6 of 86 will go to the ones room. 81, 8 will go to the tens room and 1 will go to the ones room. Now I subtract the digits in the ones room first. So I need to do 6 minus 1. I start after 1. So I start with 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So I start after 1 and go on till 6. And how many finger marks have we counted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have counted 5 finger marks. What is 8 minus 8? Well, we need to start after 8 and go up till 8. Right? So what comes after 8? 9. If I start counting from 9, but I need to go only till 8. So I don't need to count any finger mark. So there are no finger marks to be counted or 0 finger marks. So the answer to 8 minus 8 is 0, which is quite obvious. If you have 8 pencils and I take away 8 pencils from you, how many will you have now? 0. So 8 taken away from 8 or 8 subtracted from 8 gives me 0. So the answer is 0, 5. Now what is 0, 5? 0, 5 is 0 tens and 5 ones. How can I write it in a simple way? It is simply 5, because 0 tens means no tens. So it is a single digit number 5. So the answer is 5. So we see that the answer of such huge subtractions can be such small number as 5 as well. It depends on what the numbers are. So why don't you try out this new method of subtracting huge numbers, big numbers, till you are very familiar with it and you get them all correct. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.